secondary patungan rin mo ni mga axillary artery. Yung axillary artery, na siya branch palikod. Muna siya mong anterior circumflex humeral artery, yung posterior circumflex humeral artery. Yung axillary artery, gikan diri, mahimo na siyang brachial artery. Supposed to be ang bifurcation nga rin, particular. Mo siya mo bifurcate ang brachial, mahimo siyang ulnar artery o radial artery. Ay mo ang radial artery mo ni siya, radial, yan mo branch siya, mo ni mong superficial palmar branch of the radial artery. Yang superficial palmar branch na siya branches. Mga arteria princeps pollicis, yung arteria radialis pollicis. Bakta sa ulnar, muna mong ulnar artery. Mudaga na siya, ulnar artery, until muna siya mong common interosseous branch. Common interosseous, yan na siya posterior, posterior interosseous branch of the ulnar artery, muna mong anterior interosseous branch of the ulnar artery. Yan muna mo ang main branch of the ulnar artery. Yung main branch, dagan pa daw siyang muna mong superficial palmar branch of the ulnar artery. Yan, together with the superficial palmar branch of the radial artery, sa superficial palmar arch. Yung superficial palmar arch, na siya branch sa digital artery.